Now you've set up your Weebly web page, it's time for you to personalise and create your website. So you will need to edit your pages. So you've got your build tab to the left here of the pages tab. So if you click on that one, that will then allow you to be able to add and drop different features in. Now first of all, you want to get rid of the Mandy image that was there and add your own. Mine's very generic and boring. You can use whatever you want as long as it's professional. So in order to do that, you just need to click on the image and then click edit background, and then you need to select your image. Okay, so you can go to replace image, and obviously you need to make sure you have saved it, and then you can upload it from there. A big tip is to make sure that the image is small. Do not go for file sizes any bigger really than 250 megabytes. Okay, that's too big and it will take ages to load. So make sure your image is small. If I show you very quickly the size of my file, so if I go to my documents, I've actually created a file, which is what you need to have done already, and if you haven't, then you need to do that in order to be nice and organised. And you can see that this Gloucestershire campus image is 359 kilobytes, and that is ample. Okay, so anything really going above a megabyte is going to be ridiculous, so make sure that it isn't. So then you can replace that, and then you can obviously add your own title in. As you scroll down, you can also delete the images by clicking on, so you've got an image below there which I've already deleted, by clicking on them and then clicking on the X, and then that will remove it. You can then edit the type that you have there, and obviously all you need to do is click off that screen once you've done that. Now as you can see here, there's a box I don't really want, so I'm going to delete that one. Okay, and then there's actually a section as well which has been kind of blocked out. It's called a spacer, and you can see that pops up. So I'm going to delete that as well because it's just not needed, and I'm going to get rid of this spacer here. When designing a website, however, you do need to remain consistent, and you need to think about only using specific colours. Stick to the code of just using 3 colours, okay? So as you can see on this one, I'm going for blacks, greys and whites, okay? And then obviously images will add colour in, but keep it simple. Make sure that your font can be read and is bold against a nice contrasting background. So again, I can delete all of these spaces here, and I will continue to do so until I'm happy with my actual landing page. This is a landing page here. Then you can go into your individual pages. So if I click on About Me, I'll show you just how you can then add in some elements. Okay, so first of all, it's already set up for you if you wanted to use this design, or if we delete everything, I'll show you how you can add them in. It's very simple. Okay, so with Weebly, it's literally just a drag and drop. So we go back again, and then we go to build. Okay, and then I've got a title, so I can drag that in, and then I can just drop it down. Okay, that will then give me the ability to edit all the way across. Do be careful, you don't always want your viewers to look all the way across the page because they actually get bored. So you need to try and chunk it so it doesn't look so overwhelming.